Hey Socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's the type of content you enjoy, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. Today's video is going to be my last monthly favorite of the year. This is December favorites. Let's jump right into it. Starting off with makeup, the foundation I've been reaching for the most this month has got to be the Patric Ta for Face foundation. This is probably one of my favorite packaging on a foundation that I own, you guys. So it does come in this compact and it's in a cream form. So this is the foundation at the bottom, and the foundation does come with a powder at the top, which I've probably only used once or twice before. Hadn't been using the powder this month, but definitely the cream. I love to use cream products a little bit more in the colder months, and it's starting to get a little colder outside, and it just gives you a beautiful medium to full coverage that looks creamy and supple on the skin. I'm actually wearing it today, and I've been wearing it on my last probably couple videos, you guys, and every time I go back to this formula, I forget how much I love it. So yeah, this is the Patric Ta foundation. Next, for December favorites, I've got to put the Rare Beauty highlighter on here. I got the shade Flaunt. I picked it up during the Sephora sale. Couldn't have picked it up at a better time because I like to use highlights more so in the winter months, like during the holiday season, not necessarily because it's cold, but during the holiday season, I like to throw a little extra glitz on the face. I don't typically use these blinding highlights like this on day to day, except in the holiday season, but it's such a beautiful highlighter. It's really creamy and buttery, and this shade is just gorgeous on African American skin tones. Let's put a little bit here. Y'all see that? It just gives a beautiful strobing glow, or if you blend it into the skin, it blends in really nice and gives like an opalescent glow. Gorgeous highlight, you guys. So I've been picking this one up this month. Next product is one that I've been getting compliments on all month long, and it's two red lippies. It's actually from the Sephora Collection, number 94 and number 1. Beautiful blue based deep blood red. This one's 94. And when it dries down, it has the most ultra matte finish without feeling super dry, but it's just so extremely matte that it just looks so classic and elegant and gorgeous. People have been stopping me in the store. Every time I wear it, somebody stops me and asks, what am I wearing? Like, that's how gorgeous it is. And then this is number 1, which is a little bit brighter. And oftentimes I wear 94 on the outside, and then I put 1 just in the center of the lips. You guys, so beautiful. If you don't have it, go get it. Next time Sephora does the 30% off, you gotta get it. I think they're like $12. So definitely worth it and will last you a while. I'm actually wearing 94 on top of a like burgundy lipstick I have on. I have on Max lipstick and media, if you guys remember that. And then I put 94 on top just to give it kind of a matte feel. I was trying to match my nails. I think I might have nailed it. Next product is one that I've been reaching for nonstop this month as well. I sort of forgot about her. This is Nars's Laguna bronzer. Remember the Laguna bronzers extended the shade range. So this is number 6, and this is what it looks like. Beautiful contour or bronzer shade if you're my skin tone or even a little darker or a little lighter than me. Absolutely love it. I'm wearing it today in this like C-shaped area up here. The formula of this is so smooth. You know how some bronzers sort of go on a little patchy? It's really even and almost creamy. It's just a really great powder product, which is Nars. You know, Nars can do no wrong. And the last makeup product I want to talk about is the Patric Ta Major Dimension 3 palette. This is his newest eyeshadow palette that the internet was going crazy when this came out a couple months ago. I think I want to say like 2 or 3 months ago when it came out. You guys, it's such a great palette, more unique than I thought. I talked about this in a few other videos, and I think I have a dedicated video to it, but you get these beautiful, just like everyday earth tones. You have the warm shades on this side and then the cooler shades there. These 2 shades here that has this flap covering it are actually cream shades. You can use them as liners or as eyeshadow bases, a black one and a brown one, which I've used as well, and they're really good. But the actual eyeshadow eyeshadows are very creamy and pigmented. I find that the colors melt into each other, unlike anything I've really seen before. You know how when you put on one color and you want to fade another color into it, it takes some blending? Well, with this one, I find that you almost don't have to blend. You can just grab more so like a flat brush. You can blend if you want to, but I figured out that you can grab a flat brush and just press it into the other shade if it's not too much of a contrast, and the shades almost melt into each other and gives you a flawless blend. The formula of this is crazy. I highly recommend this. I was a little scared to pick it up because, you guys, I don't think I've ever paid this much for an eyeshadow palette before. I think it's like 70 bucks or 60 or 70 bucks. I'm obsessed with Juvia's Place eyeshadows. They're so pigmented and just such a good product for a fraction of the price that I was like, I could just do Juvia's, you know. And the coffee shop palette does have pretty much like these shades. But when I went into the store and swatched it, I said, okay, she's different. This is giving me something different than Juvia's. Not saying one is better than the other, but this one's different and I really enjoy it. I'm actually wearing the palette on my eyes today, by the way. So moving on to smell goods, let's talk about some fragrances. I want to first talk about this particular fragrance because, you guys, I never tell y'all about this. I picked it up during the last Sephora sale and it's a beautiful, sexy scent. I ended up giving it to Mr. because this one's unisex. And if you know anything about me and fragrance, I really like feminine scents. I'm not really a unisex type of girly, although I will wear unisex fragrances depending on how, you know, beautiful I think it is. I'm open-minded, but I just sort of lean towards the really feminine scents. But this is Kayali's Oudgasm Vanilla Oud. Beautiful scent, so sexy. This is equally as sexy on a man as a woman. Beautiful take on an oud. I'm not really an oud. Well, I didn't think I was an oud person because oud can sometimes be very overbearing and, you know, even animalic sometimes, but this is more so a softer oud and it's a ton of vanilla in here. And if you're a vanilla lover, you would probably love this. It's good. It's something a little mysterious, and the oud makes it mysterious, but then it's sweet and warm and comforting and sexy. Y'all, so beautiful. Immediately, I've worn it a few times before, but it's a man could definitely wear it, and he wears this to bed. Like after I tried it the first couple times, I was like, oh, I want you to wear this to bed. So he wears this to bed. It is so beautiful. Can't say enough good things about it. When this runs out, I'm gonna get him a full bottle. He doesn't really wear heavy fragrance, maybe 1 or 2 sprays. He's not really into fragrance like that. But when this runs out, I've got to get him a full bottle because I can't see us being without this one. Next 2 fragrances were actually on last month's favorites and a few other videos that I've talked about, but I've been so obsessed, you guys. I just like what I like. That's it. Y'all know I really like it because I keep talking about it. And it's this combo, which is YSL Libre Intense mixed with Jo Malone's Ginger Biscuit. This combination together just gives holiday, it gives luxe, it gives expensive, it gives spicy goodness, it gives sweet and warm and all of the things. Perfect for cold weather. I love this combo. I like them separate, but especially together, it's almost magical. It's smelling yourself the entire day. It's super long lasting. This one right here is super long lasting. It's gonna last you to tomorrow. You won't have any issues with longevity. This one you get about 2 hours from Jo Malone, but together this sticks around a little longer when you do them together, and it just smells so good. I've been reaching for this often. And pretty much my everyday scent this month, which is usually in the colder months, but I wear this year round too though. Just my day-to-day running errand scent has been Myrrh and Tonka from Jo Malone, which is a really great, another long-lasting fragrance. This one will last you till tomorrow. It never wears off. Like slight woodsy, a little spicy, sweet, very unique, unlike anything I have. Almost incensey a little bit, but in the best way. It smells expensive and refined. This is an amazing fragrance, you guys. I've been wearing this for a couple years now. Highly recommend this if you want something different, if you want something a little spicier, a little moodier. You can wear this date night at nighttime, but it's also perfect for during the day. Love it. So I've been reaching for this often. The last fragrance I'm going to talk about is one that I've never worn before. This was actually a Christmas gift from my auntie. It was a request. She asked me what I wanted for Christmas and I told her to get me this. Now this is Yara from Lataffa. Y'all, this smells so stinking good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I was almost scared to ask for this, and I've been scared to get it because I got the yellow one based on reviews. The reviews said that it smelled like Fame from Paco Rabanne. And if you know me, you know I love Fame from Paco Rabanne. I pretty much used the whole entire bottle up this year when I got it. Love it, highly recommend it. So when they said, okay, it's a cheaper alternative, an Amazon sort of, you know, dupe that smells just like it. So many people said that, and I tried it. First spray was a no. It just smells cheap and it smells like plastic, and I never wore it, you guys. It just collects dust. But this, you know, I hear so much about it, and I said, you know what, let me try it anyway. My aunt got it, and this is, I can't wait to wear it. It's an ambery, sweet, fruity, almost a vanillic, fruity, ambery goodness. This is good, and it's an Amazon fragrance, so it won't break the bank, and it smells, I don't know how this lasts, so we'll probably talk about that maybe next month, but the way it smells kind of strong, I would think that it lasts, but I don't know. Don't quote me on that. I haven't tried it out yet, but just smelling it initially, like when I got it for Christmas, smelling it out of the bottle, spraying it, and I sprayed it on myself a little bit on Christmas Day. Oh, and I just kept smelling myself the whole entire day. It smells so yummy and good. So this one is Yara by Lataffa. We'll get a little bit more into this as I get use out of it in January. So let's talk about some body care. So one of the socialites, she has a channel. I'll put her channel right here. She did a review of Dove's holiday bath products. Smelled a few of them in the store and ended up picking up the Dove holiday treats. This one is the cinnamon pumpkin pie body wash. Smells phenomenal. Talk about having an experience in the shower. So what I do is I shower with my regular unscented body wash, and then I go in with this and all the other areas other than that area, and it just smells so divine. You smell like a sweet snack. If you wanted to wash with this and then do the routine with your ginger biscuit and like Jolly Gingerbread Village, when I tell you lasts all day. So what I've been doing is I wash with this, and then I go in with the Bath and Body Works Jolly Gingerbread Village body cream, and then I do my Jo Malone ginger biscuit, or a combination of ginger biscuit with the YSL Libre Intense. Lasts all day long. It will last. You'll smell good until tomorrow. Until you shower it off, you'll smell good. But this smells divine. It smells just like a cinnamon, like a sweet cinnamon treat. It just smells up the shower, and it just makes you smile when you shower. It just feels so good and just so invigorating. And y'all, it's worth a try. Get y'all one before the season is over. So let's talk about some body creams that I've been wearing this month. So like I told you guys, the Jolly Gingerbread Village, I just told you how I wear this and what I wear it with, but this is a vibe too. Smells similar to Jo Malone's ginger biscuit, and it helps it to last a lot longer. So I do recommend this. I think the semi-annual sale is still going on now, and it's $4 at the sale. So you guys check them out. This and the spray is like $4 and something. So get it before they're gone, or they may have it at your local Bath and Body Works. But yeah, this one's really good. The moisture doesn't last long, but I more so use it to hold the fragrance all day, because I've tried wearing it to bed and by the morning I'm already dry. But if you're using it for longevity of a fragrance, this is good. Now this, I've gone through 2 of these this year, like since last January or last December. So this is my 3rd one. This is the Fenty Butter Drop. This is the Warm Cinnamon Holiday Edition. Smells like a warm cinnamon bun or cinnamon bread. It smells divine. On the skin, it leaves a beautiful, almost like glittery sparkle. Does sort of get on the sheets a little bit, not gonna lie, but it's beautiful on the skin. It's highly moisturizing. You'll have moisture to the skin for 24 hours. It's like one of those really good creams, and it smells divine. So I've been wearing this a lot, as you can tell. And like I said, this is my third one I've gone through this year. I just have one left after this is over. The last body cream I want to talk about is the Fenty Perfume Body Cream. This is the most luxurious, next to the Jo Malone Myrrh and Tonka. I have that body cream, which is up there with this one. This is up there. This is as luxe as like Myrrh and Tonka body cream. Not only is it super moisturizing, highly moisturizing. It comes with this little scoop spoon in there. Oh my gosh, it's super fragrant, thick and creamy texture like the Butter Drop. You know, they're both Fenty, but this is a different, you know, there's levels to Fenty, but it just smells so good. It's similar to the fragrance. Let's talk about the fragrance just for a quick second, you guys. I'm not going to harp on it long, but the fragrance is very controversial. I just feel like you either love it or hate it. I'm somebody that tends to like sweet, fruity, just very feminine, soft, you know, fragrances. Sometimes not though. It just depends on what it is. But something like this, I didn't think I would like. So the fragrance, I picked it up and sprayed it in the store for like a year. Like whenever I go to Sephora, I'll spray it, and I'm like, I just can't understand this fragrance. I can't understand who it's for. And then one day, which is the day I purchased it, I sprayed it on my skin. Some said, Ariell, spray it on your skin. Sprayed it on my skin. I loved it. Mr. loved it on me. It's a love. If you haven't tried it on your skin, the Parfum, try it on your skin and see, you know, what you think. If you don't like it, you just won't like it, because it's a lot of layers to it. But I said all that to say, if you don't like the fragrance, you may still like the body cream. It's so luxurious, and you just feel like you're treating yourself when you use this. But it just smells so luxe. It smells very unique, super sexy and moody. I love it. And the last product I want to talk about is actually skincare. Now, this is one that I got in the Sephora Advent Calendar, and I found some loves in the Sephora Advent Calendar, by the way. But you guys told me about this when I opened it up, and I've been using it all month long. This little baby here has lasted me the entire month. So this is the Exfoliate, the Paula Choice Exfoliate 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. And this is a toner. I use it as a toner. When you use it, your face looks instantly bright, cleaner, more clear. On the days that I use a retinol, I don't use this, but any other time I use it every day. So I do the retinol every third night, and I do this like mornings and every night that I don't do. Y'all, good. So good that I went and got a full size today. I had to. It's just that good. I love it. A lot of you guys love it. If you haven't tried it, check it out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this monthly favorites. I've tried out a lot of good stuff. Some of the stuff didn't make the list because I wanted to put the best of the best on here, even though I've tried some good things. If you guys want to see an overview, like a speed review of the things I got in the Sephora Advent Calendar, let me know, because it was a lot of really good products in there. So I could get a video out for you guys just doing a speed review of quickly synopsis of each product. Let me know if you guys would like to see something like that. Before I get out of here, I do want to say Happy New Year. Happy New Year, y'all. This has been an amazing year. I've had a great time with y'all. I've proven to myself that I could be consistent on YouTube for a full year, but we've had a ball. I enjoy getting to know you guys. And with that being said, don't forget about the giveaway. Follow me on Instagram, DM me on Instagram. Let me know what you found that's new. Let me know what's working for you and what's not working for you, girl. Hit me up. So the giveaway, follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be posting a picture today on Instagram or a video, so make sure you leave a comment and like that picture. Also, you have to leave a comment on every single video in Vlogmas. So every video on the month of December, leave a comment. It can even be an emoji. Okay, so out of everybody who enters the giveaway, I'll randomly pick to people. If you want to see what's going to be on the giveaway, make sure you see my 2023 favorite things and you see some of the stuff, not everything, you see some of the stuff that's going to be in the giveaway. But I love you guys so much. This has been an amazing year. Let me get started cooking, making some seafood gumbo for my family today. It's sort of our tradition now. I've been doing it like the past 5 years or so. So happy new year, and I'll see y'all in 2024.
'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.